Just half an hour away from the information centre was the Guluyambi Cultural Cruise. Hilton was our guide. He referenced everything in the English language and then Indigenous language.
And I think the way he spoke about his land and the ability to pass through country.
It's quite a bit of energy, like you could feel the place was quite dynamic. The kids loved it.
The thing that really surprised me were those rock formations.
Oh, they're amazing.
There was one that looked like they had a big head on it, the rainforest all around it, and then you saw these massive rock formations out of nowhere. They were stunning.
Then we saw some rock art as well that was painted in kangaroo blood, supposed to last centuries. That was pretty cool. And then probably the highlight of the day was the spear throwing.
When we got off the boat and we were in Arnhem Land, the kids discovered that basically if you mix it of water on the rock, it turns into like a paste, like a paint. And they got their fingers out and painted their faces and then painted each other. It showed that they'd actually been listening to what we've been doing the past few days. It was actually really great.